Oh, great. I can't believe I got myself into this. It's your own fault that you got yourself into this. And you're not even a real non-faceless locomotive. You're just a machine. You again? Dude, you really need to find a hobby. And you need to start talking if you want to see the light of day again. Is that supposed to scare me? Why am I wasting my breath with you? That's right, walk away, you idiot. It doesn't matter where you'll send me. I'll get out. They can't hold Johnson Alco! Dr. Richardson, all the plan of draining the water from Johnson Alco's tank is completed. We're going to be putting black water in his tank. And from what I stated in the records, he's not even a real non-faceless engine. It stated in the record that this locomotive's face is just a mechanical structure. It's not even a real face. And when my driver touched it, it's not even flesh. It's just mechanical. And from what I see, the black water has the effects on the face to make it go away. And it will cause him extreme pain, which he will deserve. What? No, you can't do that to me. You can't. Silence SCP-4426. But stop calling me that. My name is irrelevant. That is your classification now. And we captured your friends who built you. And we have put them in D class. And I believe they deserved it for building an insane locomotive like you. Besides, you're designated as an SCP. But my name is irrelevant. So what you're saying, Dr. Richardson, the face is not real? It's mechanical? Yes. But it's not even a robot. That is true. But his face is made of rubber. How do you know? I've been looking over his records for a while now, Private Eye. I guess you do know a lot of that. Indeed I do. Dr. Danson, pour the black water in. Yes, sir. No, don't! What is this stuff? Help! SCP-4426 has been neutralized. Well done, everyone. Private Eye? Yes, sir? Take the remains to Bloodnose. He knows what to do. He's going to have the remains melted down, and they're going to be part of the incinerator. Those parts are going to be useless, and they will never be around. Take it to Bloodnose right away. Yes, sir. You had it coming, you hunk of junk.